It's the ultimate travel guide from the people who know it best. Weekends with Yankee. Since 1955, the Williamstown Theatre Festival has brought America's finest actors, directors, designers, and playwrights to this beautiful college town. The festival is a 9-week summer series of performances designed to delight audiences of both local residents and summer visitors. We stopped by this idyllic town while the festival's world premiere of The Closet was being performed by Matthew Broderick and a team of New York actors. It's fair to say the Williamstown Theatre Festival anchors the art scene in the Berkshires.
The Williamstown Theatre Festival is part of a group which we call Art Country. And Art Country is the Williamstown Theatre Festival, Mass MoCA, the Clark, the Williams College Art Museum, and the Bennington Museum. And together, we offer, an opportunity for people to come up and stay for a couple of days, see everything that there is to see in this little corner. And that's before you layer in Tanglewood and Jacob's Pillow and all of the other extraordinary offerings, which if you wanted to fill weeks of your time here in New England, you certainly could do.
For years, the Williamstown Theatre Festival has been a place where luminary actors, directors, and writers want to be. Names like Blythe Danner, Audra McDonald, Marissa Tomei, Bradley Cooper, Sam Rockwell, and others.
There's something about making work in this environment which is so beautiful and so quiet and so inviting and so safe in many ways that I think it's almost like a piano player, a virtuosic piano player going back to just remembering how to play the scales, right? When theater makers come here, they can relax. Time slows down.
In the last few decades, Williamstown has become known for its performances of innovative versions of classics, including The Skin of Our Teeth, Arthur Miller's The Crucible, Cyrano de Bergerac, The Seagull, and Our Town.
Hopefully pulling forward all of that richness of honoring great work on stage by actors and directors and adding to that a kind of pillar made of great playwrights. So we are expanding what we do, again, continuing to honor our past, but in looking forward, growing into being a place where some of the best and, hopefully most impactful theater is being generated here by living playwrights with extraordinary collaborators who want to come back summer after summer.
One of the key productions during our visit is a play called The Closet, starring actor Matthew Broderick.
You must be Martin O'Reilly.
Yes?
I just saw your house. Your neighbor showed it to me. I've come to talk to you.
Oh, yes. Thank you for coming to the office, Mr. Wilde.
Ronnie Wild. Ronnie Wild. Lost control. Ronnie Wild.
It's set in rural Pennsylvania. And the setting of this play is a Catholic religious supply warehouse in a converted old building, not unlike the sort of mills you see when you drive through New England.
What the hell is this place? Is this the nuns' equivalent of a stewardess's lounge?
Matthew Broderick plays Martin O'Reilly, and Martin O'Reilly's life when we meet him is in shambles. His marriage has come to an end, his relationship with his teenage son is really fractured, and he thinks he's going to be fired because he has made a series of mistakes from which he does not think he is going to recover.
I noticed a basketball hoop, so there's a son or two, or a butch daughter.
Son, a teenager. The judge said that he was old enough to choose where to live. He chose his mother. He thinks I'm boring, too.
Are you?
I must be.
Matthew's character, Martin, has to rent out his house because he can't make ends meet. A character played by Brooks Ashmanskas named Ronnie Wild, who is openly gay, rents half of his house, sort of sees the shambles that Martin O'Reilly's life is in. And in order for Martin to keep his job, Ronnie encourages him to out himself as gay. And in doing so, sort of become a member of a protected class from which he could not be terminated. And hijinks ensue.
The truth about Martin is...
I'm gay.
He's not.
I'm gayer than a French poodle and a gangster's wife.
Interesting image.
I'm gayer than those little straw and the adjectives and what else? I like to clean. I like to pick things up and listen to show tunes like
We're gonna rock it tonight,
I'm gay. Who's gay? Me gay. So gay.
So after its run in Williamstown, where will the play go from here?
We shall see. You know, there's a ton of interest in what will become its next life, and we are certainly working quickly to figure all of that out.
Can do about us.